Hello friends, I am Sujit from Excel 24 Excel IPT Excel School, and now we discuss the conditional formatting. So I want to highlight these numbers, which numbers have equal to C2, it means search. So I want to type here 50 and when the press the enter and every cell highlighted equal to search number. So how can do it? We have used the conditional formatting. So first you have select your data and go to the home menu bar. In the home menu, have a conditional formatting. In the conditional formatting, go to the highlight cells rules and click on the equal to, and you have type enter here any numbers. Which numbers you have type, your formatting will be apply here. And you can also change the formatting from drop down. This is the predefined formatting. If you want to apply the on formatting, go to the custom format. Click on the custom format and select your formatting. Just like I have select the green colors and also select the border, font, number also. Then okay. And now I want to link with the cell C2. I don't want to type any number here because this is the manual. I want to connect this 62 C2. You just press the equal and click here. Just click the C2 and C2 address here. You can also type the directory C2, but remember you have used the dollar sign. If you do not use the dollar sign, that time your cell address will be increase, decrease, and effect also wrong. So the wrongly. So select here, press the OK. Now you can see here we have type here 40, press the enter. Every 40 will be highlighted. 60, every 60 will be highlighted. 80, every 80 will be highlighted. And you can also apply the another conditional formatting here. Just like I want to place greater than 90. So click here highlight cells and click on the greater than 90 and select here color. So continue with my channel and please like and subscribe my channel. And tomorrow we discuss also the another thing. Thank you for watching this video.